Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today is another day of Vlogmas. So it's gonna be a really chill day. Drinking a little bit of my Coke Zero, and we're going to be unboxing this month's Target beauty box. So if you'd like to see what's in this month's box, then just please keep on watching. So with the whole theme of the box, you guys could see it's like the whole like December icy, you know, that type of vibe. And then the box, well, the card, it says slay all day. 'Tis the season of holiday parties, family events, and festive nights out. But celebrating style can be tough with a busy calendar. Our present to you, all the fabulous products you need to help you slay all day and night. So pretty much the box is going to make sure we can slay all day and look amazing all night. So I'm definitely here for that. So we'll just kind of, you know, take off as we usually do. Take off what I see off the top. So the first thing I see is this Good Chemistry Magnolia Violet. It's a perfume with essential oils. The notes are magnolia, pony, and amber, and it's a romantic, captivating with true elegance. I've seen this in Target before, but I've never like smelled it, but I'm curious to see what it smells like. I have so many samples, like y'all don't think I'm a hoarder, but like literally, like look how many of these samples I have. I have so many. So I try, like I said, whenever I get these cute samples and stuff like this, I always try to like try them out, and if I end up liking them, then I kind of put them to the side. And depending if I can get a Sephora Ulta, I kind of put them in my basket so I can remember, like, hey, like, remember this perfume? You remember you liked it? So hopefully I like this one, because that'd be cool, because I can just get it at Target. Oh, oh, it smells so nice. I really like this. I guess this will make you slay all day. Oh, I love it. It honestly reminds me of something from Bath and Body Works. Oops, I totally just spilled all that out. But yeah, I definitely really like that. Oh, it smells so good. I love it. I love it. Oh, I'm curious as how much it is. Let's look it up on the Target website. Okay, what is this called? Good Chemistry Magnolia. It's actually supposed to be, I guess what they put on here is it's a roller ball. So that's even better, because I love putting the like little roller balls in my purse, because, you know, sometimes just carrying on a huge thing of perfume, it can be a little excessive. Oh, so they're not that badly priced. Okay, so if you get the extra roller ball, it's only $12.99, which that's really not that bad at all. And then the actual bottle perfume is $24.99, and then you can also get a body mist for $10. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna have to use this coupon to get that, because I really like that scent. I guess I'll kind of see throughout the day if it lingers, if it fades away. But this is something, it has like that, like I said, that with the magnolia and the peony, I think that's how you pronounce it, and amber. It just has like all this like fruit, pretty perfumey smell, but it's really not that overwhelming. Like honestly, it kind of feels like I just like walked into Bath and Body Works. But you know, like when you walk into Bath and Body Works, you're smelling like all these scents, but it's like that, but just 10 times toned down. So the next product we have here is this Mix Chicks Kohl Kink and Styling Cream. This is to condition, retains moisture, promotes growth, and adds definition for wash and go finger styling, 2-strand twists, coils, and spirals. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to use this. It just says to apply to even, damp, detangled hair, use fingers to style curls, choose twist strands. Yeah. I might not be able to use this, but if I can just use it as just, because this is a styling cream and I don't really have curls, I have more like a poof. But maybe I can give this to someone who actually can use this. But it is cruelty free, so that's really cool. Let's go ahead and see what it smells like. Maybe this can maybe help bring back my natural hair state. It smells really good. Oh, it smells so good. Like, you know when you have that really yummy like hair care smell? That's what it smells like. Oh, I love it. It smells so good. But yeah, I'm gonna give it to someone that can actually use this. Okay, next item. So we have this brand I've tried before, and I freaking loved it. I've actually used was the moisturizer. I don't know which box it was. I think it was either September or August. I think it was September's box. It's the Lumen Glow Revive Moisturizer, and I freaking love that moisturizer that I got. So freaking good. And what's cool that it's made in Finland. It's imported. Oh, is this like a... Ooh, it's like this like putty. Oh, it smells so freaking good. Well, it's supposed to be like a vitamin C moisturizer. Oh my god. I'm telling you, like all these moisturizers are coming out and I'm just like, I cannot. Like my skin can only take so much. Oh, it's so nice. And it smells so freaking good. I love it. Okay, well this is gonna be going into my bathroom, but yeah, I love how it's super cute. It's so tiny. It's like this like frosted bottle. Okay, and then we have a couple more products left. So we have this kind of set duo, which I really like, which I might end up taking with me when I go to Texas. So I can use this and try it out. I always love trying new conditioners and shampoos, especially for ones that like say like will help like damaged hair, you know, rebond it, you know, give back moisture in it, because my hair is going to be going to, well, I'm going to cut it one and then I'm going to color it. I want to do something funky with my hair and I figured why not now, like it's the new year, like I just want to do something different. Like I've had this hair like for so long and I need something different. Like I want something fun, new, and I'm going to get like a nice little, I need to cut off some of these dead ends, but I'm going to get a nice little chop off. Probably just going to chop off as much as I did before the summertime. So maybe by like my birthday, my hair might be even longer, but like I want to actually like cut everything off and just bring my hair back to like a good state, which I feel like recently I've really been taking care of my hair and I've seen a big difference in my hair. I don't know if you guys have seen a difference, but like my frizz isn't crazy. Like it's just not so crazy at the ends. I mean, it is right now, but like it just doesn't feel crunchy. Like it feels like nice. I can put my hands through it and it feels soft and just luxurious and I just needed a good cut. But definitely gonna be coloring my hair and I'll definitely be recording it for you guys. So that's gonna be really fun. But these are the Ren Pure Biotin and Collagen Thicken and Strengthen Shampoo and Conditioner, and it's plant-based with natural ingredients. So it has zero gluten, dyes, propylene glycol, sulfates, parabens, and formaldehyde. Okay. So like I said, it's plant-based, gluten-free, they give back, and tested on our families, not animals, which is cool. Oh, and it is family-owned and operated, and they are crafted in the USA. So that is pretty cool. I guess let's see what it smells like. Sometimes like with things that are like plant-based, they kind of have like that like really like organic earthy smell. Sometimes I'm not the hugest fan of it, but we'll see. Okay, I like it. It smells kind of like this stuff, but less of that like perfumey smell, but it still smells really, really good. I'm really excited to try this out. So far this box is it's giving me really high hopes. Okay, so we have 2 more products left. So I have this like little sample of the Biore Deep Cleansing Charcoal Pore Strip, which I've used this before. Honestly, I feel like some of this stuff is a gimmick, but I feel like it works, but then it really doesn't work. Like it takes so much out, but then I'm like, wait, like I still can see it. But let me know if you guys have tried these out and you guys really do like them. I would always have these and I would like only see like a little bit come out, but sometimes I feel like, especially like here on the sides of my nose is where I usually get a lot of my congestion at. And that's usually where I normally get it. Like normally things pull out, but they never want to stick here. Like they never want to stick. It always lifts up and it's like I can't even get like the crevices in there. So I'll definitely will be trying this out again. I think I've used the charcoal one, but I've used like the Biore ones, like the white ones, and I've used like the knockoff brands, but like the off-brand ones. And I really don't care for off-brand ones because I feel like they don't work and they never want to stick when you get them wet. If your nose wet, you want to stick them on. So our last product is this Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula. It is a 2-step hair mask, locks in moisture for long-lasting results for dry, damaged, or color-treated hair. Sounds like it's the perfect match for me. So it restores shine. So this is the step 1, restores shine, deep conditions, and step 2, seals cuticle, and this is 5-minute results. And has no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no gluten, no dye. So that's pretty cool. I feel like I've used something from Palmer's. I think it might have been like a conditioner or deep conditioning, and I really liked it. But I'll definitely try this out. A lot of these products are really good. Like I think like the only thing I probably won't be able to try is this, but everything else I'm really happy with. Like they did pretty good with their last box for 2019. But this is just a fun way. Like some of these products I mean, this brand I've never heard before. I've seen this in Target, but I've never smelled any of them. And this new brand, the leeann from Finland, I've never heard of it. So a lot of the times when I get these Target boxes, I get to try products that I've never tried before that I probably would never like, oh yeah, like I want to try something new. I'm going to try this. So it's really fun that you can kind of like play around, and plus these are sample size, like somewhat like deluxe samples, so that you can at least see if you like it. And it's not one of those like you go to Sephora and it's like, oh, it's like the tiny like little, you know, like I don't think I even have a sample in here, but those like tiny like little rectangle things, and it's like you can barely get something out of it. You're just like, I don't even know if this even did anything. I don't know if I really liked it. And then you end up, you know, spending all this money and it's like you didn't even like it at all. So that's the one thing that I love about Target beauty boxes. But let me know in the comments down below what items that you liked out of this box. Do you think you might be picking up this month's box? Let me know. But that's going to conclude today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying into this vlogmas madness. We are like slightly halfway through, but it's gonna be a really fun time, especially when I go back home, because there's gonna be a lot of fun stuff to do. But I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.